Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I will talk about some on-page SEO techniques that will help our keywords to rank fast and make our website optimized. So on-page SEO is one of the best part, and in between the three parts, on-page SEO is first part we have to look on, and without doing one-page SEO we cannot start off-page SEO. And on-page SEO have some tasks, have some fixing errors, and we need to fix some our website by doing on-page SEO to make it SEO optimized. So have a look at on the screen what I have written in my blog about on-page SEO checklist. For one, we can talk about title tags. So optimizing your page title is an important aspect of on-page SEO. Here are some best practice. You can use your unique and descriptive titles, include your keywords, keep it short. So number two, we can talk about optimize your meta descriptions. So to optimize your meta description, you can use unique and compelling descriptions. You should include your keywords, keep it short, use action oriented languages. Then number three, optimize your content by adding keywords, by adding LSI keywords, and also you have to put your high quality content. Use adding and formatting to make your content easy to read and understand. H1, H2, H3, and you all know that Google do not read the content, Google read the headings, and you have to put keywords in your headings. Then optimize your URLs. So optimizing your URL is an important aspect. Use your keyword in your URL, keep your URL short, use hyphens to separate words, use lowercase letters in the URL, and be consistent. Then optimize your internal links. To optimizing your internal links is an important aspect of on-page SEO. This is my blog. I'm just written this article today. Use descriptive and relevant anchor text. You should do this. Use a clear hierarchy. Then use a mix of do follow and no follow links. Then use internal links to guide users. Suppose you have written a blog post about on-page SEO checklist, and you have written another article on how to write meta description. So you have to put meta description link, blog post link into your first one-page SEO checklist. This is called internal links. And use breadcrumb navigations. Use breadcrumb navigation to help users understand your structure of your website. Then number 6, optimize your image alt tags. So image alt tags is very important. We know that. Use descriptive relevant text, use keywords in your images, keep it short, use the proper format in your image. Then monitor your website's performance. Monitoring is what you need to do while monitoring. You have to check your organic traffic, you have to check your keyword ranking, you have to check your bounce rate, time on site, pages per session, conversation rate, mobile optimization. All these things you have to check before you do start off page SEO. You have to check this checklist of on-page SEO. On-page SEO is very serious matter. After you complete the on-page SEO, you can step on off-page SEO. So thank you for watching my video. Just